Experience the luxury of a 5-star retreat without ever leaving home. Let's learn how you can transform your home into a space that feels every bit as refined and rejuvenating as your favorite luxury getaway.
Over the past year, $1.3 trillion was spent by global travelers who are looking for the feeling of ease. They're looking for calm. They're looking for relaxation. We at NGage Properties Group reverse engineer that 5-star experience. We bring it home to them. We work with them through architectural lighting, through flow, through textures and layers of textures to actually make that happen for them, whether in their spa-like en-suites in their bedroom, in the gourmet kitchen that they most desire, or in converting a living room space and making it feel like their favorite lobby bar, be it in Paris or Venice.
For more than a decade, NGage Properties Group has set the standard for luxury design and build in the Washington, D.C. region. Led by founder Nicole Butler, NGage is more than a design-build firm. They care for the whole client.
Many times clients are flustered. They don't know what to expect. They feel overwhelmed. And our job is to listen, have managed vulnerability, to really understand their story, fully engage them from the beginning when we're designing their space to the end when we reveal their space. After we listen to what a client really wants and they describe their dream, we actually provide a VR goggle experience that allows them to walk through and virtually stand in their space. We are preemptive about understanding what they want, and AI learns their behavior and then delivers on that on a day-to-day basis in their living space. Caring for the whole client really was driven by my experience as a corporate executive many years ago, and I just recall moving so many different times and no one really cared for the details. And caring for the details is important to me, especially when the majority of our clients are corporate executives. We want them to know they're fully cared for, and that's what we deliver.
Caring for the whole client means understanding their needs beyond just the physical space.
Design build is best described as architectural drawings or services, interior design services, and construction under one roof. We have complete control from the very beginning. The client never becomes the project manager. We oversee that process from beginning to end.
I'd say I would definitely wholeheartedly recommend working with NGage Properties for anybody who does have a house project that they're working toward. It was a dream to work with her. I wouldn't do it any other way. I wouldn't go back and change anything about what we did. She's been our champion in this project. She's also been our first line helper on everything. She made sure the whole process was seamless for us. Wholeheartedly recommend her.
Working with older homes can often come with unique challenges.
One of the joys of being a design build firm in the Washington, D.C. area is that we get to touch homes that were built in the 1880s, 1890s, 1920s, 1950s. And believe it or not, they all have their own sort of build trend. Things that we find behind the walls that are very different than today's building standards. We are also historically designated as a design build company across the DMV. I think we've earned that designation, and we just love what we do in this area.
From concept to completion, NGage Properties Group proves that true luxury is about more than design.
We know that living spaces or office spaces should move you, reflect you, inspire you, and calm you. Our job is to listen and then craft meticulously against every last one of those requirements, and then deliver to you with seamless execution and elevated experience.
If you're ready to discover how NGage Properties Group is redefining luxury by putting people first, visit their website, engageproperties.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.